Hey everyone, welcome to this new channel in my video, means the new video in my channel. So guys, in today's video, I am going to launch the Python course for you. Yes guys, there are many videos in the YouTube, but in this video, I am going to give you the clear idea and the mind map of what we are going to learn in the Python. And I will teach you Python as that you can use the Python as the backend language and you will become a Python developer. So guys, I think that Python is the most easy language and you need to learn it because today the Python is also the most popular language. There are many frameworks like the Flask, Django, the Flask APIs. You need to access them and you need to learn them because we are going to also done the awesome projects. And guys, you can also see the power of the Python in the video of taking a screenshot maker and that can take screenshot for us. So guys, we are going to also do some awesome projects. Let me tell you the names that they are the Jarvis, the guessing game, the rock paper scissors and many other things like the Flappy Bird, which is the most famous game, but it's banned. But you can also play it by means learning the Python. So guys, in this video might be divided into some parts. So let us jump into our computer screen and let's see that how to install Python in the Windows system. I will also tell you how to install the Python in the Mac and the Linux. So let's get started. So guys, this is a new launch of the Python course and we are going to now I'm in my computer screen and let's open our Google Chrome and you can see that I have already installed. So let me just write that you have to search for, okay, let me change the color, install Python, okay, and let me just search it for you. Okay, so you are going to redirect in this download Python page. Just click on the link. Okay, I am going to just clear the screen and just click on the download Python button. Okay, so I'm going to, okay, so this is the Python setup. I am going to just make it download. Okay, so I'm going to click on save and then it already exists, so not I am going to install it. I'm just going to cut it and let me again show you for you that this will be the download Python, okay, and then I'm going to delete it. So let me open my file explorer and I'm going to go in my downloads and then this is the Python setup file. Just double click it. Okay, so I am going to add the Python because in our next projects, means after learning the Python we are going to learn the project, so there might be a problem. And let me again show you that you have to check it out and make this for check. If you have to install in your C drive, then it's completely fine. You just click on the install now button and I am going to customize it because my C drive is getting full. So let me make it the pointer and customize installation, make this all it check, click on next and make it all the checks, okay, and I am going to change it in my E drive. Okay, install, then click on yes. Okay, it's installing. Let me first edit the video because I don't want to waste the time and I don't want to make longer of this video. So let us edit the video. So guys, after the setup you will see the successful notice. So guys, just click on the close and for checking the Python is installed, at first open the terminal in the Windows. This is the new terminal and there will be CMD, the command prompt here, and then just press enter and you need to type the Python. Okay, I typed it wrong, Python. Okay, so let me first write it for you because it might not be visible to you because due to some network problem. I'm going to write it Python, okay, and for exiting the console of the Python you need to write exit and then parentheses. Okay, let me just make it. I'm going to write exit and parentheses. Okay, so I'm going to clear the screen and let's close it out. So guys, you need to also test for having some Python codes and I have already had the file, so you can see that Python icon has came in the file, but again I need to test it. Just click on new and I'm going to make it as a text document, and then I'm going to make it as the test python.py. Make sure that the py extension is there, because the py extension defines the file as the Python file. Okay, just make it and click on yes, and I'm going to open it with code. If it not came, click on show more, otherwise in the Windows 10 it may came. And guys, make sure that you have installed the VS Code, and also have seen the video of the VS Code installation. The link is in the I button. Please check that out. And I'm going to open it with the code. So let us see. Okay, it may take some time. I'm going to just clear the screen. Okay, so here I will just make the code. Okay, this is the command, the Python. There will be a code. It is activating extension, and you can also check that out, that whether it's added to the path or not. You just go to the edit environment variables and press enter, and you can see that in the path, means in the system variables, then path, then there is the e users Linux AppData local programs Python 39, and the script and the many things, means the Python file from where it came. Okay, so this is it, and let me just check that whether our Python is working or not. I'm going to type learning teching. Okay, I'm going to make it as a Python file. Okay, so this extension may come because you need to install the Python here. I'm going to extensions. Okay, just search for Python, and you will see this extension, and for this extension you need to have the code runner. Okay, I installed the code runner because I also run the C++, the C, these type of files. For that I have to install it, and that works fine for both, means all type of languages. So today for it, I will see you next time in next video.